Saints, it's not God's desire that His children do without. It is the exact opposite, for God wants to bless you. You have to know, saints, that nothing is hopeless with God, and you don't have to wait until tomorrow. You don't have to wait not 1 second longer. I have seen and witnessed God create things in my life out of nothing. Out of nothing. Do you believe this word from the Lord? Do you believe His word? Do you accept that He can perform the impossible in your marriage? Do you believe that He can perform the impossible in your family, on your job, in your finances, or in your health, or in your future? Do you believe that He actually can do that? Yes. And He doesn't even have to get up from the throne. Whatever that thing is in your life that you thought was dead and that you thought was hopeless, it is not hopeless.
Thanks for watching. For more teaching from Pastor Joanne Ramsey and Speak the Word Ministries, visit our YouTube channel. Or to watch the full-length message, Speak Up, click here to visit us at speakthewordministry.net.